how to make authentic hot pot. This traditional Chinese hot pot recipe is incredibly simple and easy to follow. I'll show you how to prepare the best broth, which vegetables and meats to use, as well as pro cooking tips to ensure that each item is cooked to perfection. Everything will be thoroughly covered in this video. To start, place down a pot, fill with boiling water, add soup base of your choice, mix, dried red chilies, place on lid, bring to boil. Now, carefully add the ingredients of your choice. For an authentic experience, use the following: knot noodle, mushroom, soybean sheet, enoki mushroom, cauliflower, bok choy, zucchini, sweet potato, broccoli, Napa cabbage, sliced pork belly, beef belly, Napa cabbage. You've added too much stuff. We're going to need a bigger pot. Add water, soup base, bring to boil. Dried chili, submerge yourself in the broth. Now tuck in and enjoy. Don't forget sauce. Don't forget sauce. It's too crowded in here. We need a bigger pot. Add water, soup base, dried chili, bring to boil. Submerge yourself in the broth. Enjoy! Don't forget sauce. Don't forget to dunk it in the sauce. Don't forget to dunk it. This is the authentic way to serve hot pot. Once you try it this way, you'll never go back. Enjoy!